All right. Took it apart already. 2020 Ford. Is it going to tell me what it is? I want to know what it is. I don't see it, but this is an escape. An escape from door switch. We took it apart, as we do everything else. This puppy was around. There was 3. 1, 2 over here in the front, and you'll see on yours, 1 right there, and 1 right on my side, right there. These are T10s. But before you do that, let me show you. This is a T10. You have to use something like this and get up under, because it's all clips. Let me put it back together and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This one decided to go flying and you'll never see it again. But if you want to take it, you want to get the door panel apart to try to find it, go right ahead. There you go. That's it. They're a little stiff because it's Ford, because it's wonderful Ford. There you go. That's how you get to the 3 Taurus, which I pretty put back. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, don't worry about this one. You got 9 more. Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.